Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Comm. Today, we're gonna be making some dark chocolate brownies using Bush's black beans. It's brownie time. Today, we got a pretty simple recipe on our hands, not too much technique involved, but what we do need is some really good ingredients. Got a can of Bush's black beans, some dark chocolate chips, some all-purpose flour, white sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, a few eggs, some vegetable oil, and some vanilla extract. We're gonna mix all these together and then make some delicious brownies. Let's get into it. Alrighty, let's get these beans nice and drained and rinse them off. It's time to throw it all into this food processor. I'm gonna start adding the beans into here. This in here. Baking powder, baking soda in here. Oh, it's stuck to the bottom. Get it all out, there we go. Some cocoa powder, lovely vanilla extract, sugar, dark chocolate chips, and lastly, 2 eggs. And that is everything ready to be processed. Throw this on here. Time to puree. I'm gonna get in there and scrape down all the sides so I get all of that loveliness down into the batter and back on. We got a nice batter on our hands and it is time to pour this out. Scrape all the lovely insides out. Try not to leave any batter behind if possible. We gotta spray this pan here. Don't need our brownies sticking to the edges. Looks pretty good.
Hey, Comm.
Hello, Torment. How are you doing, my man?
I'm good, how are
I'm
you?
making some lovely black bean brownies here with Bush's black beans.
Black Bean Brownies.
Yeah,
Can't say I've had them, but
no, a lot of people
trust you.
don't know, but beans can make a lovely addition to a lot of sweet dishes and not just savory dishes.
I do like beans, but I've never had them in a dessert, so I'm very excited. It should be very interesting.
Spread it out in a roughly even layer across this pan. Now it's time to throw this into the oven. Let's get it in there.
Okay, so what's next?
Up next, I'm gonna be recruiting your help to make a whipped topping here, kind of similar to a meringue. We have to drain the garbanzo beans, so I'm gonna put the strainer inside of the bowl here. We wanna separate the beans from the liquid inside there. That liquid is called aquafaba. Aquafaba makes an excellent substitute for egg whites if you're trying to make some kind of topping like this. I'm gonna need you to start whisking this together. You wanna mix it until it gets foamy.
I'm whisking.
Whisk until foamy, my man.
Foamy.
Foamy. I think that's good.
Yeah, that's
Look at that foam develop.
That's pretty foamed.
That's some
There we go.
foaminess. We have to add the cream of tartar. Back to whisking. You want to whip it here until it gets stiff peaks.
So that's what?
Stiff peaks. Just keep on whisking.
Back around. I don't know if that does anything, but
I don't
doing
know. I
it.
don't think so, but I like it.
My own technique.
I'll pour it on in here. Mix that all in. I'm gonna add this in slowly.
Oh yeah, teamwork.
Yeah.
This is good chem right here.
Try to get that off the edges if you can.
How do I do that?
Good enough.
We should have worn goggles. My arm's kind of getting tired.
You're good, soldier. You didn't work out today. It is beginning to resemble a brownie.
Should I spin faster maybe? Like,
Oh, yeah, get it in there. Oh my God, he's going crazy.
this shirt is chalked. I need a new one. Someone tell V1 to get me a new shirt after this. Oh my God. Dude, it's going everywhere. Can you sub in? My arm is so tired. Like,
All right, Mr. Store, great job whisking all this up. Now it's time for us to put the meringue into these piping bags here.
try my best here.
Ooh, get it in there.
It's going in smooth.
See if I can get it on. No, it's kind of a bit awkward.
a little awkward.
Yeah, just a little bit.
That's good.
Alrighty, let's get these bad boys into the fridge. 2 final parts here, just gotta put it together. I'm gonna go ahead and slice these brownies up, get a few on the plate, and then you can top it with like a dollop of meringue.
Gotcha.
I'll spread them out so you can properly
got
get
it.
your dollop in.
Hope I can do this dollop right. Okay.
Oh, it's going. Ooh, nice dollop.
that
I
a
like
dollop?
it. Yeah, it's around a dollop.
It's still falling.
You gotta hurry
Wow.
up a little
Wait,
bit.
I can't stop it.
Keep it going. Next.
I had to go faster. I didn't know that.
What do you think? Maybe a little bit more?
More?
Oh, that's on the plate now.
How do you
Torment?
stop it from coming out?
You don't.
Is that not a dollop? I'm stopping it. There you go.
I would personally just want to spread out a little bit more like that. As a touch, Torment added a side of meringue to dip it in.
Yeah, if you need more, it's right there.
All right, there we go. I think we did a pretty good job here. What do you think?
I think we did good, but I don't know if they're finished yet.
I think I agree. I think if there's one thing I could change, that meringue could use a little bit more texture to it. I think if we had a fire to burn the meringue a little bit and crisp it up on top,
Yeah.
that might help a little bit.
Cold.
Oh my God.
This is quite the dollop.
He spread it. No, it's not. That's not the dollop I did. He spread it
What are
out.
you laughing?
Oh, what's that you have?
It's a blowtorch.
That's convenient.
All
for
right,
sure.
I'm gonna take a step
Yeah,
back.
yeah.
All right, there we
There we
go.
go. Not bad.
Ooh.
He's got some experience burning fires.
What can I
Yeah,
say?
he's known for this. Looking good.
How's that looking?
Let's go. Great work, my man.
Good work. Good work.
All right, Torment, moment of truth. Ready to eat some bean brownies?
I am. I'll just take the middle one.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What do you think, little bro?
It's pretty good.
That's good.
It tastes like a brownie. Meringue is pretty good.
The meringue is actually kind of crazy. That was a good bean brownie. Torment, I think we outdid ourselves here. Maybe a fist bump, nice Comm, great work.
Good work, yeah.
Proud
good
of you,
work.
my man.
First bean dessert I've ever had, and it was pretty good.
Yeah, me too, it was phenomenal. If you'd like to make this dairy-free recipe at home with these amazing beans from Bush's, check out the recipe down in the description below. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Comm. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day.
So I'm just doing a layer over the entire brownie.
No, I'm gonna cut it up, and then you're gonna put a dollop on each
What is a
brownie.
dollop?
You just put a little bit in the middle of it, and it should spread out, hopefully.
It's like a little squirt into it.
Wait, so how big is this dollop?
No, you're good, you're good.
I'm gonna mess it up. Like, I don't know why this is my job.
He's so pissed.